Hey guys, it's your girl Chrissy J back at it again with another video, and today we're gonna be cooking with Chrissy. But first, if you guys are not subscribed, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Make sure the notification bell is on so you can stay tuned to the Chrissy J show. And join the J gang, guys. I promise you, it's lit over here. We lit over here, baby. Alright guys, so first you're gonna need some ground turkey. Then after, you're gonna need 2 packs of cheese, so it can be nice and cheesy. Then the rolls we'll be using are gonna be King's Hawaiian rolls. They're so good. Then after that, these are the seasonings I'll be using. I love to use basil leaves, adobo, onion powder, Lawry's, and of course black pepper. And last but not least, we're gonna need that extra oil, olive oil, to cook our meat. These are our ingredients, guys. It's seasoning time. You guys can season your meat any way you like. I like mine nice and seasoned, so let's get to seasoning. Alright guys, so we are now going to preheat our oven to 350 so that we can begin that process. And then after that, I'm going to be taking some of that extra virgin olive oil and I'm going to be placing it on the skillet so that we can begin cooking our ground turkey. Now I'm about to spray some baking oil on a pan lined with aluminum oil. Now that we have the spray lined on the pan, what I did was I took one knife and I cut the bread directly across, so under where you can take the top of it off. That way I can put the turkey meat on here as well as the cheese, and then the bread literally right across and take the top off, and then we're gonna put the meat on. What I'm gonna do, guys, and put a stick of butter in the microwave and just warm it up, and you'll see in 1 minute why I've decided to warm up some butter. While the butter is melting, I'm gonna be sprinkling cheese all over my sliders. Alright guys, so now I'm going to take that butter that I melted, I put the top of the sliders back on, and I'm just going to drizzle the butter all over and put it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Now I set my timer for 10 to 15 minutes, so we're just gonna let everything bake for 10 to 15 minutes. Now hold on. Just a reminder, take this 10 to 15 minutes to go ahead and subscribe to your girl Chrissy J and make sure your notification bells are turned on. You got 10 to 15 minutes, so you're best to go do it. Well guys, that's how I make my homemade turkey sliders with cheese. If you guys like this recipe, make sure you guys leave a comment or check the description box for my social medias and show me how you added your own twist to my classic turkey sliders recipe. If you guys want to see more videos, of course, leave a comment. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and of course, make sure you're subscribed. Tell your mama, tell your daddy, your sister, your brother, tell everybody. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my slider. Chrissy Boyardee, y'all. Well, let me go finish enjoying my sliders, guys. Until next time, bye.